To create a list PLU, first you will need to click on Programming and then go down the list to find List PLUs. This will take you to the List PLU page where you can change or add list PLUs. To create a new list, you will just have to click the New button at the top of the screen. The first box on the page will be the name of your list. You can then link the desired products to the list by either entering in the PLU numbers or searching the names of the items in the descriptor box. Once you have added all your items, you will just need to save your changes. Another important box to consider when making list PLUs is the Options box. Minimum will set the lowest amount of items that can be selected from the list. Most of the time this will be set to 0. If you would like to set a maximum amount of items that can be selected, you will need to tick Windows stays down until escape and then enter a maximum. If you want to set it so that a meal comes with some size or extras from the list for no extra cost, then you can tick Force Zero Price and then change the maximum to the amount that comes with it. If you want it so that maybe the price of the items changes depending on the size of what they are attached to, then you can use Price Shift here to shift the items to the desired app price within the price level that is selected below. To link a list PLU to a product, you'll just need to navigate to the product that you want to link the list to, click on the orange box next to the product, and on the Options window tab, you will find an Add Your List on the list box link. There are 6 link boxes, so you can add more than one list to a product if you need to. Link 6 items in Force Zero Price will make it so that items from list box 6 will cost nothing when they are selected after picking this product. Windows Stay Open until Escape will set it so all windows will stay open, allowing more to be selected until Escape is pressed. And then save your changes once you are done.